this 4070 is going to be launching on the 13th of April, so here are the main hardware differences between the 3070 and the 4070. Off with the CUDA cores, which is the exact same big 5888. Not really sure why they decided to keep it the same. It could be a way to save money and make the card cheaper to compete with AMD's smaller, cheaper cards. As a way I kind of get rid of all the competition for the card in that price range. The base clock on the 4070 is going 1920 rather than 1500 on the 3070. Boost clock is going 2475 rather than 1725 on the 3070. Upgrade though is the amount of VRAM. The 4070 is going to come with 12GB of VRAM rather than 8 on the 3070. Which I think is a good upgrade, because if you want to run 4K ray tracing, you'd want at least 10GB of VRAM. Also take into account the other stuff you may have running in the background. The memory bus has decreased to 192 rather than 256 on the 3070. What is up though majorly is the memory transfer speed. Be 21GB per second rather than 14 on the 3070. And memory bandwidth is 504 rather than 488 on the 3070. The TDP of this card is 200 watts rather than 220 on the 3070. It's quite a reasonable amount. You should be able to run this card off a 650 or 750 watt power supply. The price of this card is €600 rather than 500 when the 3070 released, but I'm expecting the card to increase by let's say 50 to €100 because Nvidia cards usually go up in price. Whether or not you should get this card is heavily dependent on other cards within that price range, because if there's a card that outperforms it for let's say lower or more a slightly higher cost, people will go for that card.